Hey, how you doing, Archie? Have you been working on the bike? Hey, I've been working on the bike. A little bit? Yeah, me too. I can see Darcy stopped by and finished wire wheeling all the paint off. Looking pretty good. We put some rust killer around on the welds, so it's ready for fiberglass next. And then we worked on the back end a little bit here. Slip the back fender back in place right now. I'm going to take it out, give you a look at what we've done. So, oh, where are you going, Archie? Some action out there? Yeah, have fun. Okay, here is our functional pedals. So you can see we got our chain hooked up there. So then I'm going to do this. This isn't exactly how I'm going to do it, but you can see we can do a cranking motion. My friend Chris suggested this. We'll just have a crank, maybe an old shovel handle or something, and then there's a functional pedal. That should keep the policeman happy. So yeah, it's all set up pretty good. Chains adjusted nice, just a bit of slop. Everything's lined up pretty straight, not bad. And then we cut a little slot in the fender. Let's see here. Here's the piece here we cut out. We'll fit it back in afterwards, but you can see what's going to happen here. That just slides in there, and then set that in place and weld the fender in place. So that's next. Pedals are coming along. Got the brake back on. That was kind of an ordeal today, but we got through it. Seems to be functional back on. We haven't bled it yet, but it's there. Nothing's rubbing. Everything spins freely. So next on, fender. I didn't want to finish that till I gave you one last look. And then after the fender's on, we got some electronics to do. A little bondoing on the front. I like to say that's about it, but it's never about it. There's always so much to do. However, happy with our progress so far. Excited about that. Catch you next time. Hopefully we'll make some more progress tomorrow. See you later.